Welcome, little learners, to the magical world of letters. Today, we embark on an exciting journey with the letter B. Are you ready to explore the wonders of the letter B? Let's dive right in. Meet the letter B. Bold, brave, and bursting with brilliance. B is for so many amazing things, and today, we'll meet 5 special friends who all start with the letter B. The name of first friend is Bear.
Hello, everyone. I'm Bear, big and furry, with a heart full of love. I love to roam through the forest and snuggle up for long winter naps. Remember, B is for bear.
Our second friend is Butterfly. Hello, little friends. I'm Butterfly, beautiful and delicate, dancing in the breeze. I flutter from flower to flower, spreading joy wherever I go. Flutter with me because B is for butterfly. The name of third friend is Bee.
Buzz, buzz! Hi there, curious minds. I'm Bee, busy as can be, collecting nectar from flowers and making sweet honey. Join me in the garden and let's explore together. Remember, B is for bee.
Our fourth friend is Ball.
Hey, kiddos, I'm Ball, bouncy, round, and always ready to play. Kick me, toss me, or bounce me high. Let's have some fun together, because B is for ball.
The name of our fifth friend is Banana.
Hi, friends. I'm Banana, bright and yummy, packed with potassium. Peel me, slice me, and enjoy me in your favorite snacks. Let's keep healthy and happy together. Remember, B is for banana.
Wow, wasn't that amazing? We met so many fantastic friends that all start with the letter B. Keep exploring, little ones. And remember, B is for so many beautiful things. See you next time in the world of letters. Goodbye, little kids. Take care, all of you.